Hi, I'm Joe Wachowski. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a carpet punch out of a few pieces of pipe. Okay, so for these punches, I'm going to use a couple of pieces of galvanized pipe. You can use a piece of conduit. However, you're only going to get one size piece of conduit. And when you start pounding on it with a hammer, the end is going to mushroom a lot quicker, and the side that you're going to sharpen is going to dull out quicker. So I like to use galvanized pipe or even black pipe. I'm going to sharpen one end. Using the galvanized pipe or black pipe, you can get different size punches. This one's a piece of 1/4 inch, so it's going to be a smaller hole. This is a piece of 1/2 inch, gets bigger. Get 3/4, 1 inch, and so you have a little bit more variety of hole sizes you can make with the punch. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen one end, and I'm just going to use a sander. You can use a bench grinder or a little handheld mini grinder. Okay, what I'm going to do first is sharpen this edge of the pipe. Careful, it's going to be quite sharp. Okay, I'm going to take a small round file and take some of them burrs out. Very sharp. Clean up the edge a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty sharp. Alright, now we'll try this on a piece of carpeting. Okay, so I got an old piece of carpeting from an office building, and the carpeting that's more likely to get caught in a drill and pull out is a Berber or a low mat carpeting. If you were to drill into this, the possibility of pulling one of these threads out is highly probable. So now we're going to take the piece of pipe I just sharpened. There's the piece. You can see the hole right there. You can reuse this. Push this through a little bit. There's another one. Punch another one. It's getting a little dull already. Again, I'm pounding it on concrete. So yeah, you're going to dull it out quite a bit more than. There's your holes. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, visit my website at www.doityourselfwithjoe.com, where you'll find an archive of all my videos. Also, click the subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. And don't forget to click the thumbs up and leave a comment below to let me know what you think or if there's something I can help you with.